Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial about Kdenlive. This time I will show how to create a mirror titling. Okay, just place a video clip on the timeline. Usually it's better to use a moving background. I search for okay, for a moving background, something like that. I copy this clip on a secondary track. I place the two tracks on the same position, but after that I shift a little bit 10 frames the second video track here 3, 6, 9, 10 frames. The effect can be made using 7 or 10 frames of shifting. I reduce the first clip. Now we have two clips and on the same space with a little shifting. I will add a new track for the title. Okay, I add the title, for example something related to horror film. Voila. It's necessary to add the shadow. Standard shadow works fine, just to see the letters. Okay. Add the title track. And now we can add the mirror effect, making a transparent effect. Usually I use a darken effect. I can place this and voila.